We're here near the border of Utah and Colorado. It's just off I-70 at a dispersed camping area, Rabbit Valley. Well, I'm gonna get settled in, probably make something to eat, and then chill out. And then tomorrow we'll wake up, have some breakfast, and then go for a ride. Good morning. Got off to a late start today. Still got to find a trail to ride. I'm gonna get some breakfast in me and get ready and head out.
Take the exit. At the next stop sign, turn right.
So I just arrived here at the Mack Ridge. I'm gonna go up this road here. Well, I guess I could have just drove up this. Well, I'm having some car issues. It was running fine, and now I'm starting to get the check engine light, and it's too hot to work on. I'll have to deal with it later. Oh, look at that. Let's chill out for a second. We got a nice view of the Colorado River off to the right. That's nice. Look, we're getting a little rocky stuff here. Hey. Oh, this is fun. That's pretty cool. Well, I don't think I've ever done this many switchbacks in one trail. Interesting. Yeah.
That looked ugly.
That was crazy. I don't know what the hell happened there.
Oh, I popped it on the way out. I put a tube in it.
How's it tubed?
And the tube's gone now. The tire's shot. Damn it. Go one more tube.
I mean, for a mile, I'd say fuck it, but 3 miles?
You guys gonna tube it?
Yeah, I think we're gonna put one more tube in it.
All right. I was gonna say I have some Gorilla Tape. Patch up the hole in the tube.
Probably a pinch flat of the tube. Thanks, man.
Thank
Yep.
you.
That Gorilla Tape is supposed to work wonders. I'm certain it'll patch a tube, but I guess it depends. I don't have any patches. My patches are all back at the car. I don't even have a tube with me, do I? I guess we go straight. Oh, I lean into that a little too much. Well, oh man, I'm starting to get the snotty nose effect. Okay, thank you. Yep. Mary's Loop. Well, this is a leisurely ride along Mary's. Did you know they fucking are spotting it? There's no point in doing it. I mean, those first few were fucking nothing. Shit, has this even been on the whole time? I'm here talking to myself. GoPro, stop recording. Oh no, it's already 3 o'clock. I need to still find a place to camp, and it's supposed to rain tonight, so I don't want to be dealing with that in the rain. You can see all the pedal strikes people have had through that. I'm running out of gas already. Whew. Whew. The wide turn. Oh, I just bent a tooth on that one. Shit. Well, in any case, check out the Colorado. Oof. Got jammed my wrist up a little bit. All right. That's where I'm parked. We're right here. So we take this, take another right. Whew. Yeah, she's awesome. Yeah, she's super cool. Yeesh. Yep, we're back. Just gotta make it up this hill. They have another route you can go around, a switchback, but this will be the last effort of the day. Shit. Turkey jerky. Oh. That was a fucking goddamn fly in my fucking eye. All right. Oh man. Had a slight accident. It's not bad. Yeah. I would have liked to have done the horse thief bench trail. That was the plan, take Wrangler to horse thief. I took a wrong turn, ended up on Rustler's Loop. Is this supposed to be horse thief? Then realized I had overshot the turn by like 2 miles, so I turned around and went back, and by the time I got to horse thief, it was already getting late and I need to find a place to camp, so we'll have to come back and do it another time, I guess.